In this video, I will show you step by step how to create and set up a business page on Google. This tutorial is beginner friendly and you do not need any previous experience. First, open your web browser and go to business.google.com. On this page, click the button that says Manage Now to start creating your business profile. Next, Google will ask you to sign in using a Google account. You can use an existing Gmail account or create a new one specifically for your business. It is recommended to use a professional Gmail address that matches your business name. Once you are signed in, click Continue. Now, you need to enter your business name. Type the exact name of your business as you want it to appear online. After this, Google will ask what type of business you have. Select Service Business. This is ideal if you provide services either online or at your client's locations. After selecting Service Business, Google will ask you for your business category. Choose the category that best describes the service you provide. For example, if you are a digital marketing consultant, select Digital Marketing or Marketing Agency. If you provide tutoring, select Tutoring Service. Choosing the right category helps Google show your business to the right customers. Next, Google will ask where you serve your customers. This step is optional. You can search and select areas where you provide your services. You can add more areas later or make changes as needed. After entering your service area, click Next. Now, Google will ask what region your business is based in. Select your main location from the drop-down menu. This is usually your primary city or office location. After that, you will be asked to enter contact details that you want to show to customers. You can enter a phone number, a website, or both. You can also enable chat, which allows customers to send messages to your business via SMS or other apps. Once you have entered your contact details, click Next. Google will now ask you to place your business on the map to help people discover your business in the area. Click Continue, and then you will need to enter your mailing address for verification. Fill in your country, street address, sector, city, and postal code. After entering all this information, click Next. Google will begin the verification process. You will receive instructions to verify your business, usually by mail, phone, or email. Once your business is verified, you can start customizing your profile. First, add your services. You can select from the given services or add custom services to reflect what you offer. Next, add your business hours. Select the days and times your business is open and specify if you are closed on certain days like Sunday. Next, write a clear and professional business description. Explain what your business does, what services you provide, and why customers should choose you. Keep it concise but informative. After setting up your services and hours, add photos to your profile. Include a logo, storefront photo, and any other photos of your business or service work. High-quality photos make your profile look professional and trustworthy. After adding photos and your description, Google may offer a $400 advertising credit. You can claim it or skip it if you prefer. Once you complete this step, click Continue. At this point, your Google business profile is fully set up. You can edit your profile anytime, manage and respond to reviews, add new photos, or update your business hours and services. You can also post updates, special offers, and announcements to engage with customers. Your business will now appear in Google search results and on Google Maps, making it easier for customers to find you. Regularly updating your profile and responding to reviews helps you maintain a professional image and attract more customers over time. If you want to start your own business, using a Google business account is a smart way to organically drive sales for your business.